What up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So I found this awesome plugin for Google Sheets, which basically allows me to pull and track all of my crypto every day by a 24-hour period in the snap of a finger. So it uses this crypto finance plugin for Google Sheets. You can tell it whatever exchange you want. There's like 190 different exchanges you can pull data from, or you can just pull the average. So if I go over here to my sheet, you will see that I have all of these prices. And now if I didn't already refresh it today, which I already did, and I just hit refresh, it would go and it would reanalyze these numbers. You can see it said working, and it would pull and update these values right here. I can then take this, export it over to After Effects, and have all these values updated in my template without actually having to manually enter each value. So it's a super awesome way, even if you're not doing anything with it in After Effects, but just to be able to tell it what cryptos you want to track and then track that on a 24-hour change, your daily trading or your weekly trading. It's just a great way to stay up to date and see where cryptos are trending, what's going on. A lot of professional traders use it. So I'm going to be getting back into the whole crypto scene. It's been a while. I've been out of the game for a couple years now, and I'm excited to get back into it and share what I'm learning with you guys along the way. So I'm going to be kind of making a bunch of videos that teach you guys what I'm learning about crypto, but more or less like how to track it, updates on, just tons of things like that. I don't really know where I'm going to go with it yet. This is just the first thing that I really found, and it really just was like, damn, that's sweet. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm going to make a video on this and teach you guys how to actually install that script into Google Sheets. So obviously you can just open up a new Google Sheet. You're going to go over here. So why I wanted to make this video was because there was an actual plugin. They made it seem like downloaded it or you installed this Chrome extension and all of a sudden you were good to go. Well, I have a Mac and I was having a bunch of issues with it. I kind of found like the easy way to just script it in yourself. So if you come over here, and these links will all be below, you're going to go to cryptofinance.ai and then you're going to click install Crypto Finance. That should redirect you to this page. It didn't at first, but now it is. So I'm going to leave both links down below, and you're going to come down here and you're going to hit copy, and that's going to open this page. So we're going to go here and we're going to copy all of this. Just right click, select all, copy. We're going to come back over to a new Google Sheet, title it. They suggest you do this day by day. So I should title this Crypto Finance, and today's date is 12-8. That way, when I save this document and I export it out to use it in After Effects, I know exactly what day that data was coming from. We're gonna go to Tools, we're gonna go to Script Editor, and this is what kind of screwed me at first, is I didn't delete this part. So you just have to delete all of this, right click, select all, copy, paste it in there. And then after I went back over here, I would refresh my page and it would be good to go. Now you can actually download this sheet. I forget where, but I just went through and manually created all these. So I assume you don't have 100 different cryptos you want to track, so it's not really that difficult. If I just double click here, I type in equals crypto finance, parentheses, and the coin itself, parentheses, ZRX, parentheses, and then close brackets. And then that does is that grabs that price of that coin and puts it in here. And then over here, I type in equals crypto finance, parentheses, or bracket, parentheses, coin, parentheses, comma, space, parentheses, change, parentheses, comma, space, parentheses, 24 hour. I think you can do 7 day. There's a whole bunch of these different values, and it's all over here on the Crypto Finance website, and they can tell you exactly what you need to put in here, depending on what you actually want. So I was looking for a 24-hour change. So in the last 24 hours, ZRX OX has gone up 1.7%. Algo, and then we go on down the list, Batcoin, BTC, BCH, Ethereum, ADA, Link, all of those values. And you can just see right here. And then over here, I have the name. So now when I export this over to After Effects, it's just going to update. All right, guys, so that kind of sums it up, but I kind of just want to go back through everything again. Let's just touch up on those key subjects really quick. So we're going to go over here to cryptofinance.ai. We're going to click the link. We're going to come over to this page at GitHub. We're going to click the link. We're going to open this up, copy it, go back over to a new crypto sheet, go down to Tools, Script Editor, paste it in there. Then when we come back over here, we can start entering in our values and we'll be good to go. We can go back over to CryptoWatch and get all of the actual values depending on what information we want to pull. And then if you guys really want to get into things, you can actually download this template and start making broadcast packages. So as I'm going through and putting out more crypto, I'm kind of going to be building a YouTube channel pretty much around cryptocurrency. So I'm going to teach you guys how to use After Effects templates to make broadcast packages, to make intro videos, all that good stuff. So if you're looking to get more into crypto or put out YouTube content on crypto, definitely hit that subscribe button and I'll be making a lot of cool things for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, do me a favor, help me out and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.